Bonjour madame, je vous en prie, vous êtes ici chez vous? I'm Nicolas Verot, I'm a charcutier at Maison Verot. I'm the fourth generation in this family business. It's like a super traditional thing in the French gastronomy, and charcuterie comes from chair, means flesh, and cuite means cooked. So basically it's the fact that you're transforming pigs and other animals into pâté, terrine, rillette, pâté en croûte. At Maison Verot we've got two specialties. The first one will be pâté en croûte. So pâté en croûte, basically it's pâté with a crust around it. It's super tasty, super traditional, but you can cook it in a lot of different ways. Another product will be fromage de tête. It's a pâté, a head pâté of pig. It's like super delicious, and don't judge by the name, judge by the look. Traditionally, it's ground pork. But then you add a lot of ingredients to bring flavor, like shallots, like parsley. You can add some wine as well. So you've got a lot of different recipes that you can play with and to create like multiple sorts of pâté. Pâté is like ground meat, and then pâté en croûte means pâté in pastry. They are both like brother and sister, pâté and pâté en croûte. Our iconic recipe of pâté en croûte is pâté en croûte vice-champion du monde. For this dough, we use flour that comes from Versailles, where the castle and the kings used to be. And then you've got pigs that comes from the south of Normandy. You've got chicken, like a super chicken that comes from southwest of France. And then you've got some foie gras. My father has been vice champion of the world with this product back in 2011. We try to evolve and to adapt all year long. Today we are in the middle of spring in Paris. So for instance, we've got products with like asparagus that you will find in France only during like 2 months. In France, what we do, we use ham, cooked ham, like jambon de Paris, rosette, like a big saucisson, which is super tasty as well. A copa for Corsica, for instance. A cured ham, maybe from Bayonne and from Auvergne. It's super good as well. You've got a lot of what we call appellations. Some are cooked au torchon, some are superior. What I would highly recommend is for you to buy from somebody that made it in an artisanal way, not with all those machines and everything. Concerning like pâté, terrine or rillette, it's good to keep them in the fridge, roughly 4 days. And if you vacuum it, it can last 10 days or 2 weeks. Then you've got cured meat, cured charcuterie, saucisson sec for instance. Those products would last much longer. What we usually say in France about saucisson is that it can last a month, but you're going to eat it in a day with your friends. Charcuterie can be frozen, but personally I would not recommend it because you're going to lose all the flavor, all the taste of those products. You need to use your eyes. It's way better when you have a string because it means most of the time it has been handmade. Then you want to find a product that is not regular. The shape is different on the top and on the bottom. It's totally up to you, I do personally, but if you do, just make sure that it's been made in an artisanal way. I'd say there are 2 ways to eat saucisson. First is like plain, you just slice it and you eat it. And the second way would be to do a sandwich with baguette, butter and saucisson, and then you close it, you eat it, and it's amazing as well. Actually, there are not a lot, because a salami is just an Italian saucisson, and a saucisson is a French salami. The main difference is with sausages. One is raw and the 2 others are cured, so you have to cook it by yourself. If you want to become a charcutier, you'll have to have a degrees. Like the basic one is called CAP, it's 2 years. But if you want to have a perfect training, you've got 5 years to study here in France to become a super good professional charcutier. What I like best about my job is diversity. All my days are always different and there is creation, innovation, so this is just amazing for me.